This is Beaver Run Elementary School, a beautiful, modern learning environment that continues to serve students and staff with state-of-the-art features and flexible learning spaces. But keeping a building like this looking its best takes dedication, teamwork, and a lot of behind-the-scenes effort. Let's meet David Berger, Building Service Manager at Beaver Run, who makes sure the school remains clean, welcoming, and ready for learning each and every day.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Beaver Run. It's one of the newest schools here in the county. We've got about 800 children, so a lot of work to do. If you just follow me, I'll take you on a tour through the building. Take us through here. We've got our nurse's office where they take care of all the little children's boo-boos and what have you. And this is our school-based wellness center that's open to our public all throughout the school year. And now down to this end, we've got our newest addition here that the Judy Center's moved into for all their community programs. Yeah, they've made a real nice space in there if you want to take a peek at that. We've got that looking really good. Here we've got one of our pre-K classrooms that we haven't done our summer cleaning in here yet. And we get in here, we wipe all the furniture down, all the chair legs, table legs, underside of the tables, pull everything off the shelves in here and dust them out real well. Every classroom's got a bathroom so the little ones don't have to venture out in the hall by themselves.
This new Beaver Run Elementary School building was built with today's students in mind, from modern classrooms and technology.
Yeah, it's nice, got their little microphone there, I guess, for all their choir stuff.
To collaborative learning areas.
Here's our courtyard area here. That's a nice space out there. The kids make a lot of use of that during the nice weather.
And energy efficient systems.
These here, and they've all got a washable filter in that we take out and wash and replace with a clean one. Quite a few in them here, quite a few of those here. It's a project to change them out. There's almost 200 filters in here. Here we've got our cafeteria here where we've got the kids club doing their thing for the summertime out here. Head in here to the gym. Got our nice rubber floor in here. Seems to be holding up pretty well. Basketball hoops, you can lower them down to make them for the kids. They're all motorized. And here, check out the library, Mrs. Barkley's domain.
Beaver Run Elementary School is a place our students, staff, and community can be proud of. And our facilities and custodial staff do their part to keep it clean and safe. And ready for learning every single day.